Hi, this is ZTE Blade A53 Pro and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application. And after that, just tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see ring, vibration and silent modes. Just you could use one from these available modes. We could see when the ringtone ring mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications they will ring. When the silent mode is activated, ring and notifications volume panels they are muted. So this if you wanna unmute the ringtone volume, you will turn off silent mode. So in ring mode you could also use ring only, vibrate when ringing, and vibrate and then ring. So here we got ring, notification, media and alarm volume panels. We could change the volumes by slide to the left or to the right side, these volume panels. Here we got default volume button control option. We could now with the help of the volume buttons we'll change the medias. Also we could change it to the ringtone. So here we got switch to silent or vibration. We could just switch one from this available options to vibrate, to mute and to do nothing. Also we could use ring in silent mode. To don't disturb, to activate a turn off don't disturb mode, you should use the switcher. We could also set the shadow to change the duration for quick settings, to allow calls, messages, notifications from any people's apps, alarms, and to display options for hidden notifications. Here we could change the ringtones, notification and alarm sounds. And here we got the dial pad tones, screen lock unlock sound, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, screenshot sounds, battery reminder sounds, touch vibration, and ringtone fade in option. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use all of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.